In this video, we are going to go over the PPR and the PFR reports. So in addition to submitting the quarterly narrative report, you'll also need to submit the PPR report, which is the periodic program report. How you'll submit that is when you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, you're going to come up here to the Provider Info tab. Next, you're going to click on the File Upload section. You're going to filter for the project Apprenticeship Illinois. You're going to filter your provider information, and you're going to click the Upload File button. You're going to choose the category Performance Report, which is down here. You're going to choose the file from your desktop. I'm going to just grab a generic document from my desktop, see how it attaches, and then you're going to put in a description. So detailed description of the performance report. I'm going to keep mine generic, so uploaded the PPR, and then when you're done, you're going to click the upload button. And when you come up here and refresh your uploads, you're going to click the Apprenticeship Illinois provider information, click filter, and then you're going to filter by the newest date. And then it's going to show up in your list. Upload the PPR. And again, in your description, you're going to want to keep it very detailed so that the person who goes in to approve it or look at this document knows exactly what it is and they don't have to search for it. In addition to submitting the PPR, the PFR is also going to need to be submitted. The periodic fiscal report, you will come in and upload it the same way. So you'll come into the file uploads, click your project from the dropdown, your provider information, and you'll click upload file. But this time you're going to select a different category. You're going to come into the categories and select fiscal report. I'm going to choose a generic file again from my desktop. You're going to want to make sure to include your detailed description and click upload. And now we can see at the top of our list, we have uploaded the PPR and we have uploaded the fiscal report.